Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Google Sheet. First, open Google Sheets. Then, go to the cells you want to combine. Select them by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells or hold down the Shift key while using the arrow keys to select them. After that, look for the Merge Cells button in the toolbar. Clicking this button will reveal three merging options: Merge All, Merge Vertically, and Merge Horizontally. If you choose Merge All, Google Sheets will combine the selected cells into one large cell. This is perfect for headers or labels that span multiple columns. If you select Merge Horizontally, it will merge the cells in each row you selected. Great for titles across a few columns. If you select Merge Vertically, it will merge the cells in each column you selected. Ideal for side labels. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.